Introduction to Generative AI Tools. Generative AI tools are designed to create new content such as text, images, or other media from user prompts or datasets. These tools enhance creativity and productivity across various industries by automating complex tasks. Top 10 Generative AI Tools. 1. ChatGPT. OpenAI, a chatbot that generates human-like text in response to prompts, useful for conversation, content generation, and customer support. 2. Meta AI. Meta, a versatile AI that generates both text and images, enhancing user interaction with creative and functional outputs. 3. Gemini. Google, a text-based chatbot that answers questions and assists users in generating precise and contextual responses. 4. DALL-E, OpenAI, an image generation tool that creates visuals from text prompts, enabling users to turn their ideas into artwork. 5. Midjourney. Midjourney, an AI tool that generates artistic images from text descriptions, known for its imaginative and unique visual outputs. 6. Stable Diffusion. Stability AI, an open-source model that generates high-quality images from text, offering customization and creative control. 7. GPT-3. OpenAI, a powerful language model that generates coherent and sophisticated text for various applications, from writing to coding assistance. 8. BERT. Google, a text generation tool optimized for understanding context and language, improving search results and natural language processing. 9. T5. Google, a multifunctional language model that performs tasks like translation, summarization, and question answering through text generation. 10. Ernie. Baidu, a language model specialized in generating text and answering questions, particularly effective in Chinese language applications. In conclusion, generative AI tools are revolutionizing how we create content by automating the generation of text, images, and more. These tools provide innovative solutions across various industries, enhancing creativity, productivity, and accessibility for users worldwide. Thanks for watching, and next time you pick up your phone, think about how you can make it work for you.